Hi everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and this is my review video for a brand new product that's coming out called MethodX. MethodX is being brought out tomorrow. That's Friday, the 30th of October, 2020 at 9 a.m. EST. Friday, the 30th of October at 9 a.m. EST. And MethodX is being brought out by Mark Barrett and James Fawcett have teamed up with William Weatherly, and that's who's doing the training on this one, and it's called MethodX. So I'm in the members area here. We'll come back here for a moment. What I want to quickly do is go look at the sales page together, and then I want to show you my bonuses that you're going to be picking up, and then we'll come quickly look at this members area, see if it actually lives up to what the promises are on the sales page. And yeah, if you pick it up through me, you're going to get 5 amazing bonuses. So you can shop around, feel welcome to, but these bonuses are from my coach, John Armstrong. Same bonuses that he's offering, and very powerful. So MethodX, let's look at the sales page together. It says revealed, never seen before affiliate marketing method. It's making us $200 to $500 per day passively. Here's how you can replicate our success with 30 minutes of dead simple work. And there's Mark Barrett, virtually unknown revolutionary method, set and forget autopilot income system, the fastest result you've ever seen. All it takes is 30 minutes to get MethodX up and running. Works for both newbies and experienced marketers. Get your money back if you try it and it doesn't work in 30 days. I noticed here Jeremy Kennedy's given a very strong testimonial. I literally just finished this training by William, James, and Mark, and I'm truly impressed. Love the details step by step, and it's actually something I can use. Thanks for not putting out shiny object BS like everyone else, setting this up ASAP. He works at Warrior Plus, and that's a big endorsement. There's more real testimonials there, and you can see this is the sort of money that these guys are making. So there's Mark Barrett, and Mark was down and out, and he's come back. He's a true legend. He's with James, and they've teamed up with Bill Weatherly here. I'm just going to go through the sales page, show you guys quickly until we get to the bonuses. But they're explaining their journeys, and everyone's had a journey. But this has got this method, no risking dollars, no complex methods, no spamming social media, no technical skills involved. No making videos, no solo ads. Real proof. And it works with JV Zoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, high ticket offer, CPA, your own products. They're talking about financial freedom, the steps involved. It's quite a long sales page, but it's detailed and it's not too much to read. Great. And then they've got a whole lot of bonuses as well there. So that's the sales page, guys. Let's look at my bonus page. So you can see it has Saul's custom bonus page. I've got the same headlines, making James and William and their team $200 to $500 per day passively. What is MethodX? MethodX is where Will Weatherly exposes his high converting campaigns, allowing your customers to have higher rates of commissions flowing into their bank account. This method will resolve a lot of pain points for struggling affiliate marketers looking for a clear, concise approach to generating commissions consistently. So that the first product is $12.95. Let's just go through the prices quickly. The front end is $12.95, and we'll go look at what that entails now. Upgrade 1 is $37, and upgrade 1, where Will has developed a super secret asset that will have your customers absolutely smashing in results, harder and faster with a fast track upgrade. It's never been seen before. So that's the upgrade number 1. Upgrade number 2 is $197. Figuring out how to quickly set up a hugely profitable strategy is half the battle. We've literally taken the guess out of the equation with the done for you package. So that's a done for you package. That's upgrade 2. Upgrade 3 is MethodX Profit Box, $47. This entails everything you need to maximize your profits. The biggest challenge is getting fence sitters to convert into hungry buyers. This upgrade will allow your customers to leverage any affiliate or product offer to increase the return 10x. Upgrade 4 is unlimited traffic, where we've gone one better, providing anyone with multiple unique methods on tapping in our traffic source. Targeting hard buyers. Buy traffic is tough, let alone cold. So you can put your pixels on their page. That's 197 or 97. Upgrade 5 is MethodX license right. So you can, that's only $97. That's worth it. That's where you can sell this whole product and keep all the profits yourself, where you've got 100% on the whole funnel. And these are my bonuses. So the first bonuses that I'm giving away is Jono Armstrong's course called Enigma. It's a full course it sells every day on Warrior Plus, and that's another traffic source. That's valued at $427. Bonus number 2 is hack 3 ways to get traffic to your campaign. So this is Jono's 3 extra ways to get traffic to our campaigns that we're going to be setting up with Bill and Mark and James. Bonus number 3, $46, 35 bonuses for your campaign. So this is from Jono, and it's 35 bonuses that you can offer people for your campaigns, because bonuses make people want to buy. Bonus number 4, $46, 7-minute sales machine. So that's another product of Jono's and Brendan Mace's that's still selling, sold many thousands of copies, another traffic source. 7-minute sales machine plus all the upsells, sure. So you're getting the full funnel there. And bonus number 5 are all of the vendor bonuses, all the vendors bonuses. So let's just go back to the sales page and look at what the bonus number 1 is. The dual profit pack, $397, double your profits with the dual profit strategy bonus. This profit strategies will be sure to fire up MethodX 10 times. Follow these step-by-step massive results. Bonus number 2, MethodX funnel 497. This funnel is a battle test and proven to convert cold traffic into red hot buyers. So they're giving you their whole funnel. Bonus number 3 is 3-day follow-up swipes, $97. So method is 3-day swaps. Fast track action today and get a high converting 3-day follow-up swaps proven to turn fence setters into high ticket buyers. Bonus number 4 is in their Facebook and mastermind group. So guys, if you buy this through my link, when you buy MethodX through my link, you're going to be getting all of my bonuses, and you're going to be getting all of the vendor bonuses. Let's look in the sales. Let's look in the membership site. So it starts MethodX overview, and there's a case study that they show that it's working. And what this is about is Bing ads. William's doing very well on Bing ads. He shows exactly how to do the keyword research, set up the ads where you can even run them for little as $5 or $10 a day to do list building. And he shows the exact squeeze page. I'll come to that now. So Bing ads shows exactly how to run Bing ads, precise, excellent training on Bing ads. Setting up your promo pages, so choosing a product. It shows how to find the right product in Warrior Plus to do this with, and why you should get license rights. Like I said, for this product, license rights allow you to have 100% on the funnel, so you're making a lot more money when you promote, and it pays for your advertising costs. VSL segment for the bridge page, build funnel, set up campaign, creating ad copy from sales page, setting up Bing ads with promo pages, direct linking with Bing ads, and scale with Google ads, setting up your Google ads, additional traffic source. They've got additional traffic sources, a little book of traffic sources, and their bonuses in the mastermind group. So that's what this product's about, guys. That's what it's showing, is that William and Mark and James, they've been growing quickly because they've been using paid traffic, and they're going to show you exactly how to run small ads, not a big risk of money on Bing, and how to also set up and run small ads on Google search to grow our listing. They show exactly how to do the squeeze page, how to do the thank you page, how to get people onto your autoresponder. So as Jeremy was saying, this isn't a shiny object. It's really what people need completely. You're getting these amazing bonuses from me. Let's just go through them quickly again. First is Enigma. It sold like 7,000 or 8,000 courses. Enigma Pro as well from Jono. That's how to get massive traffic with YouTube. And bonus number 2 is 3 ways to get extra traffic to your campaigns hack. Bonus number 3 is 35 bonuses that you can give away with your campaigns. Bonus number 4 is the 7-minute sales machine, and then all the bonuses from the vendor. So guys, when this goes live on Friday, the 30th of October at 9 a.m. EST, come here and you can go through my link and purchase it. I've put all these bonuses already into your Warrior Plus account. And just to find them, when you purchase this, you click on this button and it will show you your name and then my purchases, and you'll see a blue button to access my affiliate bonuses, and all the bonuses are there. And yeah, I mean, James and Mark are doing tremendously well. Mark has made a full comeback, and James is doing amazingly well, one of the best guys at the moment in Warrior Plus, and William is highly respected. So for $12.95, I think that this is definitely worth it. Gets my highest recommendation, and my bonus package is going to go down on November the 4th, because then this product is going to be out of launch, and those bonuses also have to make sure that the creators don't lose money. But that's my massive offering. The 4 bonuses from me, and then there's all the vendor bonuses. And yeah, this gets my highest recommendation. So this has been Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa. MethodX gets my highest recommendation. Please buy it through my link. I would really appreciate that. Plus you get all those bonuses. And I just hope that you take action on it. And I wish you all the best of luck. And we'll speak to you soon. Cheers.